How to change Facebook email address? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial with the new Facebook settings. Now, they've updated it quite some time ago, but if you can't find this, then this video is for you. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments and let's get started. So what you want to do basically is go to the menu in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, you can actually click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And then you can see how the settings look like nowadays. Now you want to click on the Meta Accounts Center right over there. And this will basically bring you over to your Meta account where you have your Facebook and possibly even an Instagram account connected to. Now, how can you actually change this though? You want to go to Personal Details right over there. And then here you can click on Contact Info. Now, as you can see, this is my email address right over there. And how can we actually change our Facebook email? Well, what you want to do is simply add a new contact, add another email address right over here by clicking on this. So enter an email address, and then you can actually add this to your Facebook or even your Instagram account as well. And once you have done that, you want to click on the old one and simply delete this email address. Now I can currently delete it because then I don't have an email address connected to my Facebook account anymore. But if you want to change it, simply add another one and delete the old one. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.